time since I last posted. Yeah, I did this to my hair. So it's been a long time since I last posted, and yeah, life happened. So many things that went wrong. So many things that happened that okay. So many things that happened, and I need to fill you guys on it. So I lost my stepmom on the 12th of August, and throughout that month we were on burial preparation, and also that's why you guys didn't see me online that much. I didn't post for quite a while. So I'm back, and then my phone also, the phone that I'm using to film, which is my iPhone, is giving me a lot of issues. And God willing, by today, I'm going to change it. I'm going to swap it for 11 Pro Max, God willing, if we meet at the price that I might consider to pay. Yeah, so this is me. I'm fully dressed. We have an hiking today in one of our friends' birthday. So that's what we are going to do today. I'm taking you guys along. This I'm filming with my Samsung A05. I don't know the picture quality. You guys are going to bear with me, but yeah, it's better than I don't have any content to post. So we are going to this place, Mambo waterfall. This is the first time I'm going there, so I want to take you guys along and show you some beautiful places in Sierra Leone, guys. Yeah, so please, you guys are going to excuse the picture quality of this video because of the type of phone that I'm using, which is my Samsung A05. So I'll try my best to get the iPhone Pro Max, and then yeah, we're going to do better. Okay, guys, so this is what I'm putting on. I just want to show you guys the full fit from my mirror. Let me just show you guys. So this is the full outfit. I'm putting on this brown pants, black um sneakers, and then this what should I call this? I don't know how they call this, and then this belt, and then I'm going to be using this bag, which is brown also, and then I'm going to have my water bottle with me. So yeah, guys, that's what we're working with. So I'm on a 1 month fitness challenge. That's why my stomach has gone down. Yeah, so oh, this is well. I don't even like filming with this phone. It's not even giving me the picture quality that I like, but we are going to work with it for now. That's a pillar of sauce. update you guys on how everything went yesterday. So finally I was able to swap the phone. This is iPhone 12. Yeah. So this is what I was able to get yesterday. And going further, I believe this vlog is going to be very clean because this camera is really clean and nice. So the vlog is going to be very clean going further. And please just bear with me for this vlog, this particular vlog. I'm so, oh my goodness, I missed my other phone because there was so many footages that I captured there with the intentions to edit and post, but I was unable to. But life goes on. We are going to still create more content, and then yeah. So with the iPhone 12, I believe we are going to have a lot of content that we are going to post, a lot of content that you guys are going to enjoy. So thank you guys for being this patient. I really appreciate you guys. So I'm dressed now. I'm ready for church. Yeah. So this is what I'm putting on. Okay. So yeah, I'll just insert photos at the end of the day um, of what the full dress looks like. Okay, guys. Bye.